Across valleys folding, across waters frozen, across the time between my dawn and your setting sun. These are stories blowing, these words tender showing. How can I touch the shape of wing bindings falling away? Oh, tongue set you free, and oh, mind let it be. Oh, land, teach me how to lay in the storming wind. Across hearts aching, across skies breaking, across the time between our suns. I'm lost in your stars, by the light of the dark moon. Just be as you are, just do as you do. By grace and devotion, by letting go of everything, by breath as it takes you, by the light of the dark moon. I'm lost in your stars. I'm lost in your stars. In your stars. Two-toned moment, wide breathing, stay with it. I aim for the place between all longing and letting